Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable Saves notifications for published pins on Pinterest. If you're finding those notifications a bit overwhelming, don't worry. We've got you covered with a step-by-step process to help you regain control of your Pinterest experience. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so that you can access your settings easily. Once you're in the app, look for the Saved section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to proceed. Next, you'll want to click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner. This will take you to your profile, where you can manage various settings related to your account. Once you're on your profile page, navigate to Notifications. This section is crucial, as it allows you to customize what alerts you receive from Pinterest. Under the Notifications menu, look for the category labeled Pins you published. Here, you'll find an option specifically for Saves. Now, click on Saves. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch for push notifications related to saves on your published pins. Simply tap that switch to disable these notifications. This means you won't receive alerts every time someone saves one of your pins, giving you a quieter Pinterest experience. After you've disabled the push notifications, make sure to exit out of the settings and return to your main feed. You can now enjoy browsing without those pesky notifications interrupting your flow. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully disabled Saves notifications for your published pins on Pinterest. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your social media accounts effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!